Hi everyone! First of all, we wet the sheet on both sides in any container for about 10 minutes. Sky. We apply a mixture of lavender and lamp black to the sky while it wet. Immediately on the wet, we outline the buildings and fill them with paint. For the right building, I used lamp black and Naples yellow-red, and a little lavender. For the left, lamp black and lavender. My tablet is almost vertical, around 80 degrees. That's why the paint flows down so actively. I like this effect. It adds a bit of relaxation to our work. Boosting the tone and color on our buildings by adding royal blue and also add windows on the right. We remove excess paint with the white fluid and mark the line of the earth. Bushes and trees, lamp black, lavender and some ultramarine. We spray, and with a wide elastic synthetic brush we remove a pigment for snow branches. We also take the pigment on the snow-white towers of the right building. We make columns under the towers. Here we add Bordeaux to our mix, spray water with the hand. Again wipe of excess snow. Paint with a large fluid with an elastic brush. Remove the excess paint on a sandbox umbrella covered with snow, the roof of the pavilion and the roof of a small house. Also some branches, trunks. Outline our buildings. Add shadows, windows. Soften them with a damp brush and a napkin. Tree trunks. Lamp black and burnt umber. Kindergarten fence, emerald green and lamp black. I like the trees to be vague and spray them a little with water. Then some splashes of white gouache and again some water. We darken the trunks and again splashes of water. Windows in the left building. Now the canopy. We add the missing roof with a dense hard brush and draw the supports. We also make a sandbox covered with snow. We soften the hard edge and make a shadow under the umbrella. Finish our pavilion, shadow under it. Darkening the space behind our umbrella to make it look brighter and whiter. Umbrella leg, Bordeaux, shadow, right house, Bordeaux, Naples red yellow, lamp black, lavender, soften the edge, bushes behind house. We make the roof whiter with white gouache. We darken the tone, windows, some details. Snow is a mixture of lavender and lamp black, some royal blue. Spray on top, wipe with a napkin. We add a little Bordeaux to the house and rub the white snow details a little with a brush. Refine the outline of the towers a bit, and we finish the house. Here I decided to make the trees on the left less clear. Wetted the top with water and added some tone and splashes. A little white splash again. Cleaning up our umbrella a bit, correcting the pavilion, and I decided to make the windows darker on the right. It seemed to me that the composition would look more advantageous. First I wetted, then ultramarine with royal blue, Bordeaux, and a mixture of Bordeaux and ultramarine. I wiped the excess with a napkin. Other windows, a few branches on the right, in the house, in the bushes, lamp black and burnt umber, and white branches with white gouache. Add shadows. This is what we ended up with. I hope you enjoy this technique. Thank you for watching. All the best to you. See you!